Aquaculture, please.
Aquaculture.
4 bullet, very straightforward,
Yeah,
concise.
actually we summarize everything in bullet points. What we ask ourselves was what AquaWest could be, let's say, an added value for the organization, for the sector, how to promote a sustainable aquaculture, and let's say the main reflection was around the regional cooperation, of course. This is something inherent to the nature of AquaWest, so regional cooperation, north-south, south-south, north-north, and AquaWest is an instrument that can be very useful to learn, to know what is happening at national level, so to be, let's say, can be a way to get detailed information on national programs, on initiatives related to sustainable aquaculture. Linked to this, let's say AquaWest can identify potential for technological transfer or innovative business models. And then this is also quite intuitive, but it's good to stress it could be a way to pool first, to harmonize the greater set of capacity building tools existing at regional level on sustainable aquaculture. And in order to be very pragmatic, in order to identify, let's say, to identify capacity building activities to address in an effective way knowledge and expertise gaps. And then another point that I think is quite interesting is that AquaWest should find a way to support the work underway in MSP for, of course, the aquaculture component. So this is a cross-cutting issue that should be explored. Then, very quickly, I promise, we spoke about cost action. Cost action is a program under which we are working to submit a proposal for sustainable aquaculture. And we identify some aspects that we have to take care of if we want to submit a proposal under this program. We have to increase the network. At the moment, we have 27 organizations which agreed upon what we want to do and are willing to be either providers or beneficiaries of the activity. So we have a good engagement that we have to consolidate. Cost action, it can be also instrumental in return to AquaWest to identify solid existing capacity building initiatives. Also in areas which are quite emerging. For example, we had a beautiful presentation from Benoit from UNIDO about the application of artificial intelligence in aquaculture. We do need experience of this kind. And then cost action can be also a kind of laboratory, if you want, to work on sustainable aquaculture issues, but under the framework of other funding opportunities, so Erasmus or whatever.
So are we ready to submit by October this cost action call? Yes, no, maybe?
I'm optimist, I say yes.
Wow, okay, great. So we have one in the pipeline. Thanks for